Good afternoon from Old Key West Resort. We're going to give you a tour of our one-bedroom villa that we had over the weekend. So come join us and check it out. As you can see, there's two staircases here that take you upstairs. It goes to the same location. We're on the second floor in 5521. As you can see, we're right off the edge of the canal that takes you to Disney Springs by boat, which I will show you from the backside of our patio. And here's our room. 5521. Alright, all we gotta do is tap the magic band. The door is open. And here we are to our one-bedroom villa. We're gonna go off to the left now and enter into the hallway. And we have a full laundry room in here. We got washer and dryer. Comes with a bottle of soap, ironing board. Then we head through the door into the bathroom where you can see me. But full sink, big counter space, and then you got some tissue and spare toilet paper. And then we have the shower, which is very large. There's a lot of room in here. But our favorite soaps right there is Disney's H2O products. These are great. We love those on the cruise line, and we love them there. But you got a rainfall shower and then a shower head. Then you have your toilet. Then we head over here, and there's another sink. And another me. And of course, down here you got a hair dryer. Nothing else. A big jetted tub here, which is super comfortable. We'll sit in after yesterday's day in the park. Closet space with hangers, spare pillows, blankets, crib, and then of course your safe. And as we enter the bedroom, the bed's not made. It's probably because we slept in it last night and we're doing this last minute. But you have the opening to the tub right there into your room. And then spare me. Nice TV, door to the balcony outside, and right outside your window, it's views. Look at these views, this is great. And this is the canal I was talking about, where the boat will come through here, go over there and go around. We'll see that when we go outside, when we go on the patio. But some more drawers for space. Heading back down the hallway, you got me. Man, I'm everywhere in here. There's mirrors everywhere in here. I forgot to mention, right at the front door, there's more closet space with a high chair and a vacuum cleaner and a fire extinguisher. Very convenient. We enter the living room. Yeah, we bought some stuff while we were here. But you have a full kitchen. We got dishwasher, double sink, stove, fridge. Let's see what's in here. Plates. You know, the welcome home. We are DVC. And all these. Very cool. Like I said, dishwasher, coffee pot, toaster, microwave, dining table, living room. That couch folds out into a bed that is also really comfortable and not at the same time. But you get out here and let's go outside. Yes. We just missed the boat. You can see that right there. But look at this. This is the deck. It's a full deck with chairs. Got a ceiling fan. And it's just, man, like, there's these ducks that have not left the whole weekend we've been here, and they just sit right down there. They eat and walk around. But this view right here is amazing. We're on the edge of the property, so it's really quiet. And it looks really nice. And yeah, it's beautiful out here. So as you can see, it's a bit wet out. Condensation. But in the living room, you have your double couch here, your pull-out couch, your big chair, and this giant TV. And if we were to sit down, you'd have those views. Pull those windows open, it would look really cool. But this is a great little hotel. I love it. Definitely want to stay here again if we bring family members. And hopefully within the next 2 years after my baby is born, we will come back here with some family members and we can all experience all this, because this is such a nice hotel room and it has so many amenities here. Beautiful everything. And I just can't wait to come back. Thank you for joining me on our tour of the room. I know it's quick, rushed. We actually got to get out of here. We got to check out like right now. But thanks for watching. Of course, hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and subscribe to the channel because we love the support that you guys give us. And of course, we'll see you next time. We're out.